Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hop. In this question, we're told a bag holds 5 red balls, 2 blue balls, and 6 green balls. If 3 balls are chosen without replacement, what is the probability that they are all green? So, to analyze this question, we first need to notice that this says without replacement. That means that the trials are dependent, so this has to be a hypergeometric distribution. Now we can just use the problem to find all of these values. This right here is the total sample, so we just add up all of the balls together. We have 5 red, 2 blue, and 6 green, giving us 13 total balls. So this is going to be 13. This is the sample that we're choosing from the total sample, and so we're picking 3 balls. This is going to be 3. K is the number of successes in the total sample, and we are defining our successes as green balls, so there's 6 of them. That means that K is going to be 6. X is the number that we're trying to find the probability for, and we know that we want all of the balls to be green, so this is also going to be 3. Now we can write the formula and since we have all of the values and the formula, we can just sub and solve. This is 6 over 3. This is 13 minus 6, 3 minus 3, all over 13 and 3. This is 6 factorial over 3 factorial times 6 minus 3 is 3, so this is 3 factorial. This 13 minus 6 is 7, and 3 minus 3 is 0, so the denominator is going to be 7 minus 0, which is 7 factorial, so that just means this part is 1. Then we have 13 factorial all over 3 factorial times 10 factorial, since 13 minus 3 is 10. This can be found with a calculator, and we just calculate it to be 0.07. And this is our final answer. So we can say the probability that 3 green balls are pulled is 0.07. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you in the next lesson.